Here we are at 2153 12th Street in Idaho Falls, Idaho. This is the townhome. Second unit from the end. You do have parking here in front of the building. Little covered entry area here, which is nice. As you step in, you'll notice there's the tile landing strip here that gives you a place to take your shoes off. And this opens up into a family room. Nice good sized room here. In this corner is a half bath tile here as well. Then this opens up into the kitchen and dining area. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. Nice open dining area here as well. Sliding glass doors that will take you into the backyard. You do have privacy fence and a patio there. That's it for the main level. Upstairs is where the bedrooms are. Top of the stairs, it'll turn to the right. First bedroom on the left here. Does have a closet with a full swinging door. Second bedroom on the left as well. At the end of the hall is some closet doors that open up. Washer and dryer are here. On the other side of the hall is a full bath. Jack and Jill style bathroom with his and her sinks, tile floors, tub and surround here, and toilet. Then this will pass through into the master bedroom. This room is bigger than the others, and you have a nice good sized closet here with some built-in shelving. And then this door opens back up into the hallway. And that concludes our tour. Thank you for watching. This is Home River Group. If you have any questions or would like to see the property, give us a call or visit our website at homeriveridaho falls.com. Thanks.